Wow. I have no idea what just happened. What is up, guys? It is a brand new day, a Saturday morning. I am feeling good. I hope you guys are doing great as well. Thank you as always for tuning in. We have a brand new Yeezy release that we are getting to today. There have been so many, like September has just been Yeezy, 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 Yeezy. I think we still probably have like 7 pairs coming out in the last 2 days of the month for all I know. Kanye's new album drops this weekend, apparently. I thought it was dropping last week, but then it was dropping yesterday, then it wasn't dropping yesterday, but now it's dropping on Sunday in a time zone that we're not sure of. Kanye, you are so confusing. Kanye confuses me. Just a lot. Kanye really confuses me. Do you know what isn't confusing though? Our sponsor of today's video that makes some of the best jeans I've ever seen in my life, Minimal LA. This is not even exaggerating. The #1 question I get asked on my channel is, Tom, where are your pants from? I find it really hard to find pants, and Minimal is by far the best place that I have found to get denim that I really like the look of and is also not ridiculously expensive. I mean, I found jeans that I love, and then I look at the price tag and they're like $600. I'm not spending $600 on jeans. Minimal has by far the best and the trendiest styles available, and they're all significantly under $100. But the quality holds up, so they sent me a bunch of different things. We have a discount code just for you guys because I love you guys, and I convinced Minimal, I'm like, yo, Minimal, you need to hook it up for my viewers, the real family, so we got you a discount code. Use code TOM10 and you save 10% off everything in the store. And on top of that, we're doing a giveaway where one of you guys can win $200 to buy whatever you want off of the site. Just click the link down in the description, enter the giveaway, you get $200 for free. The first pair I want to take a look at is these blue jeans right here. There's all this ripping, there's all this distressing. You can adjust the zippers, put them where you want, wear them how you like. They look amazing, as you can see. I mean, like, it's a great wash, it's a great fit. I love the distressing on them, and they look so freaking good, and they're so affordable. The next pair is actually the pair I'm wearing right now. As you can see, these things look amazing. They are clean, they are fresh, they have the zipper on the bottom once again. Very cool wash. Also, you might see some blood stains. That's because I fell off my boosted board, and they didn't come out in the wash. Minimal does denim, but they also do other stuff. They sent me this sweater, which I'm not sure how I feel about yet. It is like 7 different types of flannel put together in one shirt. It looks crazy, it's out there. I need to figure out how to style it properly, except it has potential. And if you guys want to pick it up, you can pick it up on Minimal. Last but certainly not least, these are by far my favorite. These are some insane cargo pants. You throw them on with a pair of Desert Yeezy boots, you throw them on with an all-white pair of Air Force Ones, these things are gonna look great. They're really poofy. The pockets are like, look at the size of the pockets on these things. These are 100% my favorite. Guys, make sure to go check out Minimal, link down in the description, enter the giveaway, link down in the description, and use code TOM10 when buying anything on the site. I love their products, great quality, and most of all, they support the channel. So you guys that support me, go support them so they can continue supporting me and I can continue bringing you guys awesome content. That being said, let's get straight back into the video. I absolutely love this. It's noon, well it's 11:45, but it's almost noon. I slept in, I had a good breakfast, I did a whole bunch of work in the office, and I didn't have to sit in line for the Yeezys coming out today. I've sat in line too much already this week for Yeezys. I don't know, these ones just aren't as hyped. I don't think they're gonna sell out. To be fair, I'm not 100% sure. Don't need to stand in line, can just walk into the store and get them. I'm gonna head upstairs, grab my boosted board, and let's head over to Livestock and get some shoes. I'm gonna be showing up to Livestock an hour after the store opens. I would not be surprised if I was the first person to go in there and buy the shoes. I mean, like, people just aren't really interested in the GR 700s anymore. Like, what was the last 700 that sold out? Seriously. Yep, like I guessed, absolutely no one is here for these. Okay, I take back everything that I just said. I walked in, I got a pair, but size 12 was sold out. Size 11.5 was sold out. I don't know if any other smaller sizes were. I had to get a size 11. What? There's people lined up for these in the morning. I showed up an hour after the store opens, and my size, and my secondary size that I prefer, sold out. Probably other sizes sold out. Why? I do not understand Winnipeg sneaker releases at all. I just went for lunch. It was really Faux Hong. This is not sponsored. Go eat at Faux Hong. Eric,
yo,
I just have a question for you.
Yeah. No, I haven't seen them. How did you do that? When did you do that? We just finished eating lunch. Why do they look like space shoes? Metallic? This what y'all wearing?
I don't know why he hates them so much. If I see one more person getting mad at me for mall grabbing my boosted board, it weighs 17 pounds. I dare you to carry it any other way. But here are the shoes that Eric, for some reason, just really doesn't like. I am shocked that any sizes of these sold out. I'm shocked that anyone purchased these in Canada. These things cost a shocking $448 for the Hospital Blue Yeezy 700s. Why are they called Hospital Blue? What a depressing name. Like, just who wants to wear Hospital Blue? Like, you couldn't have called it like Stone Blue or like Iron Blue. I don't know, it looks like there's like some gray mixed in with the Hospital Blue. Is that the best we can come up with? I don't know. I'm probably just nitpicking at this point. It's just the name of a sneaker. It doesn't really matter that much. I'm not a massive fan of these though. They look pretty decent on feet, I'll give you that. They're a little bit tight on my feet because I had to get a size 11, but they do look really, really good on feet, all things considered. It's a pretty drab colorway that matches a little bit too much with the jeans that I'm wearing today, which by the way are of course from Minimal. Make sure to enter that giveaway and use code TOM10 to save some money on your purchase and get $200 free for one of you lucky guys, but they look pretty decent on feet. Can't complain about the feet. Maybe wouldn't wear it with this wash of jean, would maybe wear it with like some black jeans or something just for a little bit of contrast, but besides that, they're pretty cool. It's essentially the exact same upper as the rest of the 700 V2s. I mean, exactly the same upper as the rest of the 700 V2s. This time we're working with just one tone, no different shading, no different gradient of grays or blues or blacks. It's literally just this hospital blue all over that it just matches my pants way too much, and this was an unfortunate coincidence that I was wearing these today. There's a lot of 3M on these, which I know a lot of people are getting excited about as well. You have 3M on the toe, you have 3M here. They are gonna look cool if you wear them at night, and then they have like this metallic silver stuff going on the midfoot, heel, midsole area, which in videos, I thought it just wasn't like painted on very well, but it has this weird little sheen where it like shines and looks like the paint job isn't very good. I don't know how to describe it, except it's painted on just fine. I thought it looked weird in videos, but it's just very shiny and changes color a little bit. Overall, I think it is a really good pair of shoes, though it's just too expensive and very similar to other colorways. I feel like I don't like them because they're so similar. I don't think there's anything wrong with this shoe in particular, but I mean, I buy every single pair of Yeezys and they just all start to blend into each other and look the same. I mean, there's colorways of 700s that I'll see someone wearing on the street. I'll be like, oh, I forgot that those released, because there's just been so many similar colorways. So I don't think it's anyone's fault that these look exactly similar to all the other colorways outside of the Adidas design team involved with these. I would just love to see them do more creative, cool stuff. Like the Cloud Whites, I love those. I know they were similar to other pairs, but they just look cool and fresh, and I was really excited about those. And those glow-in-the-dark 350s that we have coming out in December, and the Yeezy basketball shoes, whenever those finally release, I think those are all very exciting and cool shoes that people will get very excited about, whereas these somehow are selling out in Winnipeg, but are selling out nowhere else in the world. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you picked these up down in the comment section below, and are they selling out where you live? Like, are these selling out where you live? I need to know. I cannot wait. I must know now. Please freaking tell me if these are selling out where you live, because apparently they're selling out in Winnipeg, which blows my mind. That being said, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. You are my favorite people on earth, except for Steven. Freaking screw you, Steven. I hate you. I'll see the rest of you tomorrow with a brand new video. Steven, please don't come back. We don't want you here. Seriously.